Hey y'all, so if this is your first time visiting, thank you very much for checking me out and welcome. Make sure you like and subscribe so that you can be notified of any videos that I may upload in the future. So I had my weigh-in yesterday, and I gained 0.2 of a pound. And actually it's okay. I'm not bummed by it. And then I realized, like, part of me was like, wow, I wonder what happened. I cooked 2 recipes this week that I should not have cooked. And maybe not that I should not have cooked. I shouldn't have cooked them both in 1 week. So one was that broccoli. It was called a healthy chicken and broccoli with mushroom casserole, something like that. And then the next one was a chicken pot pie soup. So first of all, with the casserole, it had pasta in it. There was cheese, which was fine. It wasn't a lot. But then the next day, I cooked the soup that had potatoes and corn. Did it have corn in it? I don't remember. But anyway, I shouldn't have eaten both in the same week. That was a lot. I remember last week I said I had eaten too much starch because I had macaroni and cheese the week before, mashed potatoes and all that stuff. So I shouldn't have did it this week. So 0.2 of a pound, I'm not going to complain. It is what it is. But this week coming up, I've already planned out my 2 meals that I'm cooking. So I'm going to do a shrimp stir fry. And I'm also going to bake, I'm either going to do chicken thighs or chicken sausage and some cabbage. So don't tell my mother I'm using shrimp because she's all like, shrimp. I can't wait to go to the doctor to find out if I'm allowed to still eat shrimp, because every time I go to eat shrimp, she's like, your cholesterol. And that's because a year ago, I was on the borderline of cholesterol, so I was supposed to watch my starches. And ever since then, she's like, don't eat shrimp, it has cholesterol. So I can't wait to go to the doctor. Hi, Mom. So again, I'm not mad about the 0.2 of a pound. It is what it is, but my journey still continues. I only worked out this week once at work because Monday was the holiday. We did work out on Wednesday, and then Friday it rained, and I thought it was going to rain longer in the day than it actually did, so I didn't bring my workout stuff to work. That's my story for this past week. So coming up, those are my 2 meals. We will be working out Monday, Wednesday, and Friday, and then my daughter and I are going to do like some weightlifting and like push-ups, sit-ups, leg raises, stuff like that. So we're going to incorporate some stuff to also do at home. So wish me luck on that. So here's some behind the scenes of the 2 recipes that I made. And I took a trip to the produce store last weekend and I recorded that. I don't know how that's going to turn out because the produce store is very small, and I was like trying to use one hand to record and another hand to pick the stuff out. So it may, look a little crazy. But I took some video anyway. So enjoy. Thanks for visiting. And again, if this is your first time, or if it's not your first time, please make sure you have subscribed. Please make sure you hit the like button. And when you subscribe, make sure you hit the bell so that you can be notified every time videos are uploaded, okay? Thanks for visiting, and check in next week where hopefully there will be a weight loss, not a weight gain. Bye. Hey y'all, so I'm about to go into the produce store and buy some contents for my salads to make for lunch this week. So I thought I should maybe do some video out in the store. It's a very small produce store, so it's a very quick trip around because it's literally in the square. So yeah, let's see what I'm going to get today. I have 2 recipes that I'm going to make this week. One is called a healthy chicken and broccoli casserole, and the other one is a chicken pot pie soup. So healthy chicken pot pie soup. So I'm going to need some vegetables out of here. So let's take a trip, shall we? Hey y'all, so we are in the kitchen tonight cooking, and we are making a recipe. It's a chicken and broccoli casserole. Chicken, mushroom, and broccoli. I don't know, I forget. I'll put the picture up in a second. But right now we have the vegetables simmering in the pan. So it's mushrooms, onions, and garlic. Simmering in the pan together for flavor. And then we cooked some chicken thighs on the George Foreman and seasoned that up. Doesn't that look good? I could just eat this whole plate, but I'm not. Then I added some chicken stock to this. Yum, yum, yum. It smells delicious. Next, we have to add in some milk. All right, we added in the milk. Now we're adding in some Dijon mustard. I'm just going to stir all this up and let it simmer for a moment. Y'all, this smells so good. Alright, there's the finished product out of the oven. I will put the link in the description below so that you can make this for yourself. Look at that. Now, I would have thought putting this cheese on it would make it not healthy. But that's what it says. This is Imani's plate. I'm going to use the tiny purple plate, like I said in my video, for a smaller portion control. And there's my plate. Look at that steam. Let's take a taste. I may have put too much pepper. And I probably could have did it without the cheese. And the next time I'll probably do it without the cheese. But that's what the recipe called for. Good night. Hey y'all, so tonight's dinner, today is Wednesday, is a chicken pot pie soup. Look at this thing. So I got the ingredients ready last night, and then Imani put it in the crock pot today around 11:30. And it had to cook for 6 hours. And now look at it. Go ahead, Imani, being a chef. So we're just gonna put the top back on it. I'm gonna put the link, or the, what is it called? The link to the recipe in the description. But we'll come back on shortly and tell you how it tastes. So here we are. About to try the soup. Look at that. Look at that. And again, this is called Healthy Chicken Pot Pie Soup. So let's see. It'll probably have a little bit more seasoning. Always, she says. But it's good. It's good. Bon appetit. Good night.